So it's kind of a funny story. Last year was my last year at UBC. I was graduating and I wasn't sure what I was heading into. I was supposed to do one final term of co-op before graduating, and then the pandemic hit. Fast forward to me not getting the co-op position I thought I was going to, and not being able to find a co-op job, and kind of seeing like in the back of my mind that, hey, what about ministry? Then I started seriously thinking about the apprenticeship, and the more I thought about it, the more I prayed about it, the more I was like, this is where God is calling me for this year. Yeah, we actually started, the first topic we started with was evangelism, creating and like building relationships with people, and how to share our own testimony, and sort of those things. That's been really neat. And as well, I think we have also been learning just how to like actually study the Bible. In the discipleship classes, what I've learned most is just an appreciation for different perspectives. Having all the other apprentices across BC just kind of share their perspectives has been super enlightening, and actually really encouraging for me to kind of evaluate where I'm at and what I'm thinking. The supportive environment has been super encouraging. I feel that it's like we're our own little family. Some of the highlights. I would definitely say working with the staff team. I think another highlight has definitely just been meeting with other students and diving into the Word. I mean, core has been a highlight for me every week. I think God has challenged me the most in this apprenticeship with just trust in Him and what He has in store for me. And it's definitely challenging because it's hard to give up control. It's hard to trust, but who better to trust than our Father, right? Heading into the apprenticeship, the biggest fear I had was that I wouldn't be able to support myself, but the Lord has come through in such big ways, and I have had such unique experiences with friends and family that I never would have if I hadn't approached them. And I would encourage students, just pray about it. So yeah, if you want to do the apprenticeship, definitely pray about it. If you haven't considered it at all, still pray about it because you never know what the Lord has in store for you. Yeah.